Good morning. Typhoon Bavi made landfall in North Korea's Hwanghae-do Province around 5:30 a.m. this morning, and the system will dissipate in far northeastern China tonight. So conditions have improved in South Korea and typhoon alerts have all been lifted. But the capital region is under a strong wind advisory, while high seas alerts remain in effect for Korea's south, west, and east seas. Rough, windy conditions, though, will continue for the first half of the day. Stronger winds are in store for western parts of the country, while heavier rain is in the forecast for the south coast and the Gyeongsang-do Provinces. Meanwhile, the heat remains. Heat alerts are in place across much of the country. Seoul will get up to 30 degrees Celsius this afternoon, Daegu scorching at 34 degrees. Rain will continue through early Sunday in the capital region, while temperatures will hover above 30 degrees into early next week here in Seoul. That's Korea for you, and here's a look at the weather conditions around the world.